Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering the GPS Fisch and getting a solid connection. Turn it on, check battery level, aim for over 50%, and insert the SIM if the unit needs cellular. Next, install the companion app on your phone and grant location, Bluetooth, and mobile data permissions. This lets the device report position. Once done, mount the unit with a clear sky view. Satellite lock requires unobstructed sight lines, so avoid metal shelters or heavy foliage. Now you'll link the GPS Fisch to the app and configure tracking. Open the app, choose Add Device and enter the pairing code shown on the unit. Wait for Bluetooth confirmation. Then set the reporting interval, 10 seconds for live tracking, 30 or 60 to save battery, and confirm time zone so timestamps match local time. Finally, create geofences and alert rules. This defines when you get notifications. Make sure settings are saved before moving to live testing. Finish by testing the system in real conditions and then deploying. You should run a 10-minute live test, walk or drive, while watching the app for accuracy and update frequency. If positions are jumpy or fixes are slow, adjust antenna orientation and increase reporting interval. That stabilizes fixes and reduces noise. If tracking fails entirely, restart the GPS Fisch, confirm the SIM has data and network, then repair the unit. This final check ensures reliable operation when you need it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.